Have you ever thought of elegance, serenity, peace, and neighborhoods, as well as a community that offers more than value? Then, Oak and Ivy offers a perfect community and neighborhoods, as well as peace and serenity, all surrounded by nature and a green forest for you and your family. And people invest in families while others invest in luxury, and this offers you both. Imagine living in a community that has a community clubhouse, swimming pools, and the neighborhoods is well endowed with resources such as international schools, churches, and everything you ever thought of, such as malls and club members only clubs. This is what Oak and Ivy offers. And currently, I'm on the rooftop of a penthouse in a 4-bedroom all-en-suite apartment that is going from about 4,500 US dollars in rent. The community is ready for occupation, and we still have apartments, villas, and townhouses for sale from 70,000 for apartments. Look at the views you get on the rooftop of this Block D apartment. And remember, Block B, M, N are ready for occupation from, as I said, 4,500 US dollars. Imagine yourself heading to your parking on Block B for the ground floor apartment that has a private garden, and you only need 5,000 US dollars. If you multiply by that 130, it's around 650,000 in Kenyan shillings. And this is the shared parking for all the units. You get around 3 parking spaces. You can see the parking amenities are quite a number. And here you have your lift area. Look at the parking spaces for all the 4 apartments. And with a very awesome view. Look at how spacious it is for those that love drinking. You can sit here. Do meet your client here. You can meet your client if you're working from home. You can meet your client here. You can sip your beer or coffee here as you watch the vegetations, the natural forest facing the apartments. Or for those that don't love high tables or bar tables, you can fix a couch here. And they have ensured that water doesn't seep to the apartment by raising this space. So your balcony is a home far away from home. Block B is available for occupation from April. And this is the view of Block B. A very awesome private garden for the ground floor units. You can see the garden is fenced over there, and you still have an extended garden on that other side. And that is what you get at Oak and Ivy, even for the apartments. Remember, we still have ground floor apartments available for sale, and so many others apartments available at 89 million for the penthouses and 70 million for the normal apartments, between 70 to 89 million. This is the other blocks visible from this parking area on Block B. And as I said, this place has elegance, comfort, and amenities. Look at what the water fountain being erected over there. And you have the private club and swimming pool for the amenities over there on that farthest end. You'll get a closer view of all these things that you're talking about in the video. For each building, remember there are 4 apartments in every apartment block. You have the ground floor unit, first, second, and third. And the third floor unit enjoys a penthouse. And the penthouse will have to enjoy the rooftop that is around 4,000 square feet or more. And remember, each apartment block comes with a lift and parking spaces. And that is what you get at Oak and Ivy. It's Elegance, community of very rich people. For those that leverage on network, you can enjoy that networking opportunity at the private Clubhouse.